Hello guys, today I discuss law, William Cunningham placket, first Brown placket, British lawyer. So let's start our topic. William Cunningham placket, first Brown placket, born July 11,764 in England country, Farmanage, IRA, date January 41,854, near Bray, County Wilsoklo, Anglo-Irish lawyer. Parliamentary war tour successor to Hungary Great, date 1820, as chief spokesman from Roman Charities Ecumenism, i.e. admission of Catholics of the British House of Commons, a law that was executed in 1829. Called to the wrist bar in 1787, Plunkett was highly successful as an effectli lawyer, entering the Irish Parliament in 1798. The found that the British Prime Minister William Pitt the Younger was playing an Anglo-Irish legislative union that would abolish the Irish Parliament, drawing Britain's temporary equipment from politics 1797 to 1800. Plunkett was the most vehement opponent of Pitt's designs, speaking often in the legislature and winning articles from the newspaper, and to Union 1798 to 99 on the page of the East of Union, August 11,800. He returned to his law practice in 1803. He attacked for the crown in purchasing Irish nationals, rebel inmate of his foothill rising in Dublin. Image was executed, and later in the year Pitt appointed Plunkett Lord General of Ireland, charged with discipline to his is charged by